Welcome to Business Bytes. I am Neo Maruatuna. Today, the JSE ended the day 0.13% stronger on 31,560 points. We spoke to Simon Fillmore from Independent Securities, looking at investing in equity markets.
Most investors sit pretty much in the same sort of dilemma at the moment, that markets have appreciated quite sharply over the last kind of 2 to 3 months. I think if we go back to August intra-month, the market was down about 15%. Subsequently, it's rallied quite strongly. But in terms of what we're doing, it's all about the relative returns we can earn from other asset classes, and the case remains the same there, that relative to other asset classes, equities still stand head and shoulders above the rest. So we will continue to be invested in equities.
Today, the NEC was up by 1.87% at 25,891 points. We spoke to Yetunde Ugunremi, analyst at Stanbic IBTC, looking at the bond market.
The DMO did announce that they are going to cut the demand from 126 to 70 billion. This sparked of activity in the bond market yesterday because market players were obviously short, and they were hoping to cover their positions from the usually robust auctions. So we saw market players covering their positions, and bonds moved about an average of 60 basis points across the curve. The 3 years are currently at 10.5%. The 5-year benchmark bonds are at 11.2, while the 20-year bonds are at 13.95. I expect that the auction results would print slightly higher than the previous auction because just yesterday the 1-year Treasury bill was cleared at 9.9%.
The NEC 20 closed down 34.97 points to end the day on 4,587.49 points. We spoke to Mbithia Muema from Renaissance Capital, looking at Q3 results and their effect on the market.
Companies, both of them had already been priced in over the last couple of weeks, where we've been seeing trades going up to $9 million in value terms in a market that's been trading on average of $4.2 million. The performance of these two stocks was actually flat, and the market closed down 16% lower on the day. And I think the general sentiment that's going all around from the institutions is that this is the last month for operations of the NSC on most global and local equities as the year comes to a close. So I suspect going forward we'll see slightly lower volumes, and I think the NSE will actually perform flat or near flat levels from where it is currently.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.